Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. It's a blogging series of Wednesday. I know it's been a while. The reason why I didn't uploaded any of the D&D campaign is that I was kind of sick last week, so I had to cancel my game for it. But I do have a Thursday game that we are going to be doing in-house for our campaign. And also we are doing a lot more elementals painting right now because I print a lot of elements with the colored cleared resin. Um, but yeah, I mean the translucent clear resin. But if you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and let's get started. So we finished the Slanesh army in many ways, and I do have a lot of other what you call it uh, stuff that we need to do for Age of Sigmar. We're moving into Age of Sigmar because I do have a shitload tons of bees. I'm also going to finish up the Skavens as well, and the Orcs, and the Stormbringer. And we got a lot more Stormbringer. This one actually came with paint. Um, I do the monthly one. I get um, four of these a month, I believe. I think it's like 70 $60 $70, but I'm gonna cancel it soon because uh, there's not really much good stuff. A lot of stuff I get from this is like kind of similar, same, and I bet a lot of the Stormbringer that I had on these magazine is not what you call it. Uh, game. It would play in the game anymore because they actually like literally deleted off the list. I got a couple of these premium sets. One of them is a dragon set that I have here, and another one with the orcs as well. So yeah, I have a lot of Age of Sigmar. There's a huge dent we did on the 40k armies. Problem is that a lot of the 40k armies I have left are orcs and Redemptor dreadnoughts and what else? And the Sisters of Battle. That's all I have left on the 40k. I'm gonna have 3D print stuff for Slanesh. This is army, like the tanks and a couple of the demonists as well. I might print Fulgrim. I really don't know because Fulgrim's like $180, and I could just print one for $20. Just get the file and just spend like $10 worth of resin to print it. Resin has went up in price. It used to be $36 for 3 kilogram of resin. Now it's $50 for 3 kilogram of resin. So it went up in price about $12 to $14, and plus tax with that. So it's really expensive as well. So yeah, you won't be seeing premium for a while. I have some pinups left for a few more months. But I don't know if we're gonna do more pinups painting afterwards because I don't have the extra money just for me to print more for it. If you guys like to donate and for resin and stuff, and I do need a bigger printer because I do want to print a life size figure um, at least once in my whole life, and that's gonna cost a lot of money for it. But that's a project for another day. We are streaming Minecraft on Saturday. You know, basically it's creative plus survival mode for it. Um, I'm thinking of building a Minecraft server for people. If you guys are interested, let me know. But if I'm going to do it, it's probably going to be for Patreons only, due to the fact that it is going to cost money and electricity to run it. Money I do not have. Um, yeah, we got more games that I'm gonna play. I am playing Oblivion, not as often as I should, but I am slowly playing it. I just got out of the dungeon, and I'm like finding out where to take the amulet to for it as well. But other than that, finals upcoming, so I have a 1 week break for summer. Then I got summer semester starting right after that. So I am going to take at least that. I'm going to take the 1 week break that I'm going to get a week after. We are probably going to be streaming for hopefully 5 days straight on a particular game. Probably Xenoblade Chronicles, um, Xenoblade Chronicle X, just to be precise. But other than that, nothing much really going on. We start the IU. Ashley did the IUI. We're trying to plan to have a kid, so we won't know if she's gonna be pregnant until next week Friday. But I'll keep you guys updated. We've been trying to have a kid for 13 years, and we just finally, decided to do the procedure. It's like $1,000 per pop. So if she's not pregnant, it's gonna be $1,000. Try it again. Try IUI. Do that 3 times. If that doesn't work, then we'll do the IVF to get that situated done as well. Because the reason why we want, even though it's not ideal to have a uh, kid in this day and age right now, is just that I have a lot of shit. As you can see, I have a lot of crap. And if I die or Ashley dies, this pie see all these going to be sending it to freaking Goodwill. So if I had a kid, hopefully they'll sell a lot of this stuff. That have something to continue on my legacy and have become a collecting hoarder for animes and video games and stuff. So yeah. We do got some Kickstarter books that we got that we're gonna get this end of this year. We are gonna be probably going to move away more from WotC for Dungeons and Dragons and actually do more for third party. WotC is its own little chaos and shit right now, especially with Games Workshop. Just too much greed in it, and it just became not fun anymore. And to me, for successful like TTRPG games, it's the story based. It's the story based. It's arrived. A lot of these new books don't have it. It feels like the joy has been just sucked out, especially towards the end of the fifth edition books of the 2014 one. A lot of the books that you read is just freaking drained after the OGL scandal and a whole bunch of stuff like that. Games Workshop with the models, it's just fucking too much, too expensive for the little piece of plastic for it. And 3D printing might be a little bit more expensive, but still more cheaper than buying Games Workshop. And the artwork's a hell of a lot more better than Games Workshop in many ways. If I was like the CEO of like Wizard of the Coast or Games Workshop, I can make the company a lot better. Because you gotta think about it, has to be community based. If you don't have the community based and you push the community based, your sales are gonna go way down in many ways for it. But we got a lot of stuff coming, videos upcoming. We're probably gonna see what videos are coming up. I did paint the sorcerer. You see the shorts for that, I think, in a few days. I really don't know for sure when, but hopefully you guys will be able to see it. The sorcerer for Dragon Crown pinup is going to be for July. Pinup. I do one pinup a month due to the fact that it takes a lot of resin to print it, and also, and I try to spread it out with the funds I have for this project and hobby of mine. But hopefully it will expand slowly, slowly. We'll finally be able to get some donation one day. And my birthday's gonna be coming up on the 18th of May. Hopefully, I want resins for my birthday. I want resin and Warhammer and a whole bunch of old D&D books for my birthday. But knowing me, I'll be crying in a corner of my birthday, like always, with a piece of cake in the closet. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys join me rambling. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.